So you know how I've been talking about expanded symmetries on hexagon and triangle tilings? Well, this one goes one step further. It's what I call the third expansion, and this particular tessellation is called stepping stones. This is something that I hadn't seen done elsewhere, but actually has been done. I just didn't know about it. So if you look up Robin Scholl's and his Celtic Circle tessellations, you'll see this symmetry used in those as well. So basically, we're taking a central motif of 6 hexagons around a central hexagon with the triangles all in between, and then we're separating out the next repeat and using a triangle to as our position of threefold rotational symmetry so we can get all of these things in place. And so you can take any center, extend it out, put the triangle that you want, and then get that repeat in place. Because the way that this works, it has to work out, especially in this tessellation where there's tube pleats everywhere. Because I've got a tube up here, tube down here, tube down here. And so these two twists are analogous parts of the tessellation, of the central cluster. And so they have to connect with each other. Like the distance between this pleat and the pleat from this triangle is exactly the same as this pleat to this triangle. It has to be from both sides. So here's me figuring new things out as I talk to you.